everyone. My name is Stephanie Adams. Welcome to my course, Intro to Adobe Experience Manager 6.2. I'm a software engineer at Axis 41 and have been working with the AEM product since Adobe acquired it back in 2010. Before Axis 41, I worked for Adobe for nearly 5 years, where I put together demos of how AEM works with other products. I've had a long history with the product, and I'm excited to share with you my knowledge and insight. This course is meant for developers of AEM who are just getting started. We cover a history of the product, the 5 core sections of AEM, terminology, architecture, and advanced installation. By the end of this course, you should be able to navigate between the 2 major interfaces of AEM, change between different authoring modes, install AEM in different ways, and be able to identify the names of the commonly used interface items. From here, my next course covers technology and tools, where we cover the underlying technology of AEM as well as the out-of-the-box programming tools. I hope you'll join me on this journey as we learn AEM at Pluralsight.